Are you looking for free ways to make money online in the Philippines? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I'm often asked here on my YouTube channel about earning methods for specific countries. And in this video here, I will focus on the Philippines. But if you do not live in the Philippines, then do not worry. I have already created a lot of videos that focuses on other countries. And I will leave a link in the top corner here for a playlist with earning opportunities in other countries. And I also have a lot of videos about worldwide opportunities, and I will also keep creating more videos specifically for other countries and with worldwide opportunities. But if you do live in the Philippines, then in this video here I will show you 8 free ways where you can start earning some extra money online right away. So before we go over the 8 methods, I just want to set the expectations, because all the methods I will show you is something you can do completely without investment. But you just need to be aware that usually when you use completely free methods where you can start earning right away, then it's not a way to make a living and it's not a way to become rich overnight or anything like that. But all of the methods are really easy ways to start earning some extra cash right away, and you can do it no matter your background. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and I will show you, as I mentioned already, 8 different methods. So no matter your preferences, you will definitely find some great options here if you're just looking for some extra cash on the side and you just want to get started right away easily. So with the expectations set correctly, let's now then go over these 8 methods. So when we are talking about free ways to make money online in the Philippines, we have to talk about paid service also, and that is the first option I want to go over. And if you do not like paid service, do not worry, I will show you 7 other methods that has nothing to do with paid service. But paid service can actually just be a really great way to earn some extra cash online in the Philippines, because it has a lot of great service sites, and they also have low payout thresholds, so you can get your earnings out quite quickly. And I have a full list on my website of the best paid service sites in the Philippines, and there I also have full reviews of them and full tutorials of all of these different platforms. But if you like sharing your opinion and replying to surveys, then using paid service sites and signing up for several of them so you will make sure that you always have enough paid service is definitely a great way to get started earning some extra cash immediately. And I will of course leave a link below here to the full list so you can go there and see all the platforms, and where you can also see the joining links so you can easily get started. So the next earning method I want to go over is passive income apps, and particularly one that is good for the Philippines called Honeygain. And Honeygain is an app you can install on your computer or on your phone, and you can earn just by having it installed, because you will earn by sharing your unused internet. You just need to be aware that if you pay per gigabyte of data you use, then it's not a good option. But if you have an unlimited internet plan that is quite fast, then it can definitely be worth it, because you just need to let it run. And I have a lot of videos here on my channel about Honeygain and about how to get the most out of it, and I will also leave a link to that in the top corner of this video here if you want to get full tutorials about that. But for now, you just need to know that you do actually not have to do anything once you have installed it. And a great thing is that if you join through an invitation link, you will get a $5 joining bonus into your account right away. And I of course have such an invitation link, and will leave a link below here so you can go to my website and find that link so you can get the $5 joining bonus if you decide Honeygain is for you. And once you have then earned $20, you can take your earnings out either in cash via PayPal, or you can also choose to get paid in Bitcoin. And if you choose to get paid in Bitcoin, then the next option I will show you will be very interesting for you. So the next option I want to go over is quite different from most of the other methods, but it can be a nice way to earn passively if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, because this is called Binance, and this is a cryptocurrency trading platform, and it is one of the most trusted ones. But it's not only a trading platform, it actually also has an earning section where you can earn. You can go here to this finance, and then you can find something called Binance Earn, and it has several different options, but I in particular want to go over a couple here, because this is called savings and lock staking, and here you can actually earn without doing anything. So I have, for example, just now jumped to this called savings here, and you can see they have all these different currencies here, for example Bitcoin, and if you just put your Bitcoins here, then you can turn this one on here and you can earn 1.2% interest And for some other currencies here, you can see you can earn a lot more, and you can also go into this staking where you can actually stake some of your cryptocurrencies, and some of those will offer you up to a 20% return. Of course, for this option here, you need to have some money that you put in here to use these passive earning methods. And you of course need to make sure that you read up on the exact rules so you do not risk losing anything or anything like that. But what I suggest instead is to not actually necessarily put any of your own money in here unless you really want to, unless you really know what you're doing. What I do, for example, is that I use Honeygain, as I just showed, and many other platforms where you can, for example, earn free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I earn on those for free. When I withdraw into my Binance account, because when you create a Binance account, you automatically, for example, get a Bitcoin wallet and a Litecoin wallet and a wallet for all these different currencies. So I just withdraw them in here, and then I can, for example, use this interest option here or the staking option to potentially actually grow my earnings that I earn for free on other platforms. This is not an option for all, but it is an option I wanted to show for you if you're interested in trying to grow your earnings further, and if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies. But if you're not, then the options I already showed you are great, and I will also show you several more options that you can easily use and where you can just get your earnings out in cash easily. So before moving on to the next option here, I would really appreciate if you can just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. And let's now then go over the next option, which is micro job sites. And what I'm on now is just an example of these micro job sites. This one I'm on now is called PicoWorkers, and it offers a lot of different micro jobs you can do. You can see right now it has more than 1,000 different tasks. And over here where it says international, that means that you can do it no matter the country you live in. So you can see there will be plenty of small tasks you can do for the Philippines. And you can always see exactly what you will get, and always make sure to read what you need to do, because not all jobs here on a platform like PicoWorkers is worth it. But you can always find tasks here, and that is definitely great. And then once you've earned $5, you can take your earnings out in cash via PayPal, or you can also take it out in cryptocurrencies. For example, to Binance that I just mentioned before, this is one of the platforms that also offers to pay in cryptocurrencies. So no matter the payout methods you prefer, it offers good options. But as mentioned, PicoWorkers is just one example of sites that offer these different micro jobs. And I also have a full list of different micro job sites on my website. I'll leave a link below here so you can also see that full list if you're interested in joining more different sites to get even more earning opportunities. So the next option I want to go over is data entry tasks. There are many platforms that offers you to earn by doing different data entry tasks. For example, transcriptions or drawing boxes around images, or categorize different images and doing data collection. You just need to be aware that sometimes it takes a little bit of learning before you will start to earn, and you do not get a huge hourly rate, especially not in the beginning when you're just learning. Right now I am on a platform called Remotask, but this is also just an example of data entry platforms. If you're interested in data entry platforms, I have a full video about the best opportunities and exactly how much you can expect to earn, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here of this video here, so you can see all about that if you're interested. And again, here you can join several platforms so you can get more earning opportunities. And in fact, you can combine all these different options I show you here in this video, or just combine 3 of them if you think there are 3 of them that are interesting, and then that way build together like you like it, and then get plenty of tasks. The next option is to earn by watching videos, and this is something I'm very often asked about, and you just need to do this with the right expectations. Watching videos will not give you huge earnings, and you will never find a platform that is legit that will offer you $1 or $2 per video. The sites that claim you can earn that much are scams, and you will just end up wasting your time and potentially money. But a legit site that offers you to earn by watching videos is, for example, Timebox, and that is the platform I'm on now. If you log in there and go to content, you can see down here there's something called videos, and you can watch them here. And actually, if you go to this ads here, there will be more videos you can earn by watching. And this is again just one example. I have a full list of other platforms also where you can earn by watching videos, and I will leave a link below here also so you can find several platforms to use if you want to earn by watching videos. But as mentioned, you just need to be aware it's not the most effective method of the ones I've shown you here, but you can earn quite easily and it can be entertaining, and in some cases you can also just let it run on a screen you're not using, and in that sense earn a little bit extra passively. Another very popular way to earn online for free is PTC sites or PTC ads, meaning pay to click, where you can earn just by clicking ads. There are hundreds of sites that offer this, and there are many of them that are definitely not worth it. On many sites you would have to click maybe 1,000 ads just to earn $1, and on some sites you can even end up losing money because they push you towards actually investing in upgrades. But there are also some sites where it can potentially be worth it. Again, you need to do it with the right expectations, and this is also not one of the most effective earning methods. But if you like clicking ads, then one option is, for example, on Contiply, where I am now. And here you can just see exactly how much you would get. For example, here I would need to view an ad for 5 seconds and then I would get 6 coins. But if you want to know even more about PTC ads, I have a full video about how to earn by watching ads and the best platforms for that. So I will leave a link to that in the top corner here also. So if this is an earning opportunity you're interested in, then make sure to check that out. The last option I want to go over is quite unusual and something you can just do while you actually use all the other options here, because that is to get paid to listen to music. There are different apps and websites that will actually offer you to earn by doing that. It is not something that will give you huge earnings, but you can just let it run, and then over time it will accumulate and give a little bit extra. And I have a full list on my website with some really great legit options if this is the way you want to earn a bit extra. And I will leave a link to that below here so you can go there and read the full tutorials of all these platforms. And I also keep updating that list as I come across more legit sites where you can actually get paid to listen to music. So as you can see, there are a lot of great free methods to start earning some extra cash online in the Philippines right away. And if you combine several of the different options here I've shown you, you have plenty of ways to start earning right away, no matter your background. And I hope this video helped you figure out which options are best for you. And as I already mentioned, I will leave links below here to more information about all these options so you can easily get started with your preferred methods. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, if you have any experiences yourself with any of these earning methods or other great free ways to earn in the Philippines that I did not mention, then I would love to hear from you in a comment below here. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.